Growing up doesn't feel like a glow up. It feels like waking up in hardcore survival mode. Level up 3 signs you're becoming more mature. Sign 1, you stop wasting energy. At first, you panic. You fight everything, complain, overthink, react to everything. But then you start conserving energy. You stop arguing with monkeys. Sign 2, you take responsibility.
Ouch!
You used to blame everything, the map, the compass, the rain. Now you prepare, you adapt, you don't wait for rescue, you build shelter. Sign 3, you let go of old loot. Eventually, you realize your own baggage is what's sinking you. You let go. Not because it's fair, because it's heavy. That's what maturity feels like. Not perfect, just better equipped.
Hey!
Everyone's on the path. Some just learn to walk quieter. Maturity is realizing others are still in earlier stages, and that's okay. Respect the journey.